Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. Please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue with moving images in Photoshop. Let me first demonstrate the problem. We open Photoshop. I find an image on the computer and try to move it. As you can see, Photoshop does not allow the image to be moved directly. We close all windows. Open the Start menu and type Regedit. Launch the registry editor. You need to find the parameter EnableLUA. The path to this file is also provided in the description under the video. Edit it. Change the value data to 0 and save. Be sure to restart your computer. After restarting, launch Photoshop and check if the issue is gone. As we can see, the image was successfully moved. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.